Dear students, let us start with the next topic, multiplication of matrices. So in the previous class we learned about the multiplication of matrices with a scalar, that is a real number. In this topic we will be learning about multiplying two matrices. Okay. There is a rule for that. The rule is that if two matrices A and B can be multiplied together to get the product matrix AB, if and only if the number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. So, if A and B are two matrices, then you can get the product AB if and only if number of columns in A equals to number of rows in B. So what do you get? If you have two matrices, number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. So let us start with the first exercise. Let us do few problems based on that. Okay. How to do this example. We need to find AB, that is the product of A and B. Minus 2, 3, 4, 1 into 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay. So the rule of matrices is you need to multiply element of first row of a matrix with the corresponding element of the first column of B. So I will show you how to do this. So this is the first row. This is the first row. So the first row is this. This will be multiplied with the first column. So let us see. It's equal to minus 2 in the corresponding element. So here the first element is, here also you need to take the first element. 2 into 1 plus then 3 into 3. Similarly, this first row should be again multiplied with the second column. That is minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 5. Okay. Next, you take the second row. That is 4 into, with the first column here, 4 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Again, second row with second column. That is 4 into 2 plus 1 into 5. So let us see what we get here. Minus 2 plus 9, minus 4 plus 15, 4 plus 3, 8 plus 5. So you get minus 2 plus 9 is 7, minus 4 plus 15 is 11, 4 plus 3 is 7, 8 plus 5 is 13. So this will be the product of the given matrix. So when you have it, don't do it like addition. You need to use this method. Don't just multiply the first element here into the first element. That's not the way you do it. So it's clearly told the number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Only then you can use this method. So the first row will be multiplied with the first column, the corresponding elements. Then first row again with the second column. Again second row with first column, second row with the second column. This is how you do this. Just go through the problem. Let us start with the exercise 9C. I will be starting from the second problem. The first problem is just find out yes or no. You can do it yourself. I will be starting with the second problem. If given A is equal to 0, 2, 5, minus 2 and B is equal to 1, minus 1, 3, 2. So you need to, and I is a unit matrix of 2 cross 2. I is a unit matrix 2 cross 2 means you know it is 1 0 0 1. Okay. So let us do the first sub question from that. It's given as AB. So similar to the previous example what you have done, we will be doing AB. Just carefully look into it. 0 to 5 minus 2 into 1 minus 1, 3, 2. So I will be starting with the first row into the first column. So what will be that? 0 into 1 plus 2 into 3, 0 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Next row, 5 into 1 plus minus 2 into 3, 5 into minus 1 plus minus 2 into 2. So when after multiplying, you can see everywhere the second number remains same here. 1, 1, 3, 3, minus 1, 2, 2. Okay, let's solve it. Okay, that is equal to 0 into 1, 0. 0 plus 2 3s are 6. Minus 1, 4. 5 plus minus 6, that is minus 1. Minus 5 minus 4, that is minus 9. So you get the answer as 6, 4, minus 1, minus 9. So let's start with the next sub question, BA. So we have already learned in addition that A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is, addition of matrices is commutative. But let us check whether multiplication of matrices is commutative. It's not commutative, so we will understand after doing this problem. So we already found AB. Let's find out BA. BA equals to 1 minus 1, 3, 2 into 0, 2, 5 minus 2. 1 into 0, first row into first column. So 1 into 0 plus minus 1 into 5. 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 2. Again. Second row into the first column. 3 into 0 plus 2 into 5. Again. 3 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2. That is equal to 1 into 0, that's 0. Minus 5. 2 minus 2, that is 2 minus into minus, that is plus 2, that is 4. 3 into 0 is 0. 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. So you can check. From this you get that AB is not equal to, just check your previous answer. AB is not equal to BA. So that means multiplication of matrices is not commutative. Let's start with the next one. Third sub question. A into I. 0 to 5 minus 2 into 1, 0, 0, 1. So again, 0 into 1 plus 2 into 0. 0 into 0 plus 2 into 1. 5 into 1 plus minus 1 into 0. 5 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1. So what do you get? 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus, that is 2. 5 minus 1. So this is the answer. So now it is clear to you how to do with the square matrices. Let us do problem in a different matrices of different order. Okay. Let us start with the third question. A is equal to 3x01 and B is equal to 9, 16, 0, minus 5. Find x and y when A square equals to B. So in order to do that, we need to find what is A square. Okay. When we look at the term A square, we will have an idea of squaring each term in the matrices. It's a wrong method. When it is a square, it means a into a. So we have to follow the same method as we have done previously. So that is 3x01 into 3x01. So again, first row into the first column, 3 into 3 plus x into 0, 3 into x plus x into 1, 0 into 3 plus 1 into 0, 0 into x plus 1 into 1. Okay. So let us see. 3 3s are 9 plus x, that is x into 0 is 0. 3x plus x, that is 4x. 0 plus 0, that is 0. 0 plus 1. Is equal to L. Okay. So you get a square equals to b. So a square is 9, 4x, 0, 1. That is equal to b. b is 9, 16, 0 minus y. So let us equate the terms now. 4x equals to 16. These are equal. So you can make 4x is equal to 16. X is equal to 16 by 4, that is equal to 4. Okay. 1 is equal to minus y is equal to minus 1. So from this you get the value of x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. So let us do the next problem. Fourth one, find x and y. So first sub question, I will be doing the first sub question now. 4 3x x minus 2 into 5 1 equals to y 8. So again, here the matrices is not of same order, but number of columns is equal to number of rows there. So number of columns is equal to number of rows. So we can do multiplication with this matrix. So let us see. 4 into 5 plus 3x into 1. Here we don't have one more column, so we stop here. So next, we take the next row. X into 5 plus minus 2 into 1. That is equal to y 8. So let's see. 4 5s are 20 plus 3x x 5x minus 2 equals to y 8. So first equation you get 20 plus 3x is equal to y. Second equation you get 5x minus 2 is equal to 8. So we take the second one. 5x minus 2 equals to 8 gives you 5x is equal to 8 plus 2, that is 10. X is equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. So substitute that is the first equation, that is 20 plus 3x equals to y. 20 plus 3x, that 3 into 2, that is 6 equals to y. 26 equals to y. So you get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 26. Thank you, students.